In many workplaces, the air may look clean, but that doesn't mean it's safe. Dust, smoke, and chemical vapors can stay suspended in the air long after the work begins. Without proper protection, workers inhale these hazards every day without noticing. To understand why masks matter, let's begin with their purpose and importance. First, masks protect against harmful airborne particles. Respirators like N95 or FFP2 help filter dust, smoke, and fine particles that can cause long-term damage to the lungs. Next, they protect against chemical vapors and fumes. Not all masks can filter gases. The correct respirator or cartridge is needed when working with chemicals. Also, masks reduce the risk of airborne infections in certain work environments such as healthcare or labs. Finally, respiratory protection helps prevent chronic lung disease and keeps workers safe in the long run. Not all masks are the same, so let's look at the common types and their key features. First, disposable respirators such as N95 or FFP2. These are designed to filter harmful particles and are commonly used around dust, smoke, or general airborne hazards. Next, reusable half-face respirators. They use replaceable filters or cartridges and offer stronger protection, especially for dust, fumes, and chemical exposure. Also, full-face respirators. These seal around the entire face and protect both the eyes and the lungs in high-risk environments. Finally, powered air-purifying respirators, known as PAPRs. They use a battery-powered blower to push filtered air into a hood or mask, making breathing easier during long or high-hazard tasks. Having the right type is important, but using it correctly is what provides real protection. Here are the key steps every worker should follow when using a mask or respirator. First, choose the right respirator for the hazard. Use particulate filters for dust and the correct cartridges when dealing with gases or vapors. Next, ensure a proper fit and seal. Gaps around the nose or sides allow contaminated air to enter, reducing protection. Also, inspect the mask before use. Check for damage, moisture, or clogged filters and replace anything that is worn out. Then, wear the mask consistently in contaminated areas. Removing it even for a short moment exposes your lungs to dangerous air. Finally, clean and store reusable respirators properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to maintain hygiene and ensure the respirator performs effectively. Airborne hazards may be invisible, but the protection they require is not. Choose the right mask, use it correctly, and take good care of it. Use your respiratory protection and protect your breathing.